What's up, guys? My name's Brady. This is my brother Caleb. We're actually here at Elevated Customs right now. This is where Caleb works. This is a shop you'll probably be seeing a lot of our videos at. But today we've got a couple parts that we've ordered from CP Attic Complete Performance. They do a lot of parts for older Fords and a lot of parts that actually just look really clean in general. Right now we've got a truck in the body shop right up the road. It is getting a complete overhaul. It's getting redone from top to bottom, basically. And we got some new parts that came in, and we're just going to do a little bit of an unboxing today. So we'll start with this first one.
These parts came in a few days ago, and I told them, let's wait, we'll do a video. Been kind of killing them. They've been sitting at the house for about 3 days to get ready to do this, so.
We've been talking about doing this channel for a while now, and we decided why not start it off brand new this year. And so we've got, actually it looks like a koozie and another sticker. We've actually even got a card here. You can check that out. We'll go ahead and open it up, see what these guys got. They even sent us a Christmas card, guys.
How about that?
Real sweet. We appreciate CP Attic. They always send us really good products and stuff, get us at least going. So actually, it looks like right here at the top of this box, we've got our bumper brackets. We're currently running a 2017 bumper on this this old Ford pickup, and we're actually swapping over to a 2021, and they make probably the easiest brackets that I've found so far. Number one, install. And number two, the bumper fitment just looks better than most other companies that we've seen. So we're really excited to get that going. What I'm thinking we're going to have in this package is probably our headlights that we wound up ordering. We went with a clear option. They've got a bunch of, actually looks like these right here are cab lights that came in. We got our clear cab lights. It's actually really good. They got some good seals on the bottom, it looks like. Really excited for those. They offer an amber and a clear, and then they even offer a smoked option. And we went with the clear because we're sticking with a little bit more of like a classic look with this truck. Those look like they're going to be actually really nice. We're actually going to get these over to the body shop shortly after this video, because what we're planning on doing is we're actually going to have these bases around here color matched, and then they'll just be installed whenever the truck's being put back together. Set those over there. And it actually looks like we got our fender lights too, our rear fender lights. See if we can get some of them open real quick. Now these cleared, they also offer these in your typical amber and red. And then I also have a smoked option, but we went with the clear just because we're looking for a little bit of a cleaner look. But these, with them having the clear lens, they also offered us a red bulb and an amber bulb LED that are actually gonna just, you know, maintain our DOT, I don't know if you want to call it regulation, yeah. So that's really cool. Dig in a little deeper here. So like I said, our truck is actually up the road at the body shop. We've been wanting to paint it for a while, and we finally found a slot right here at the beginning of the year that we were able to get it in. We're going to be getting it back here shortly. They've been working on it so far. Now this is a full 6-piece set that they sell for their headlights. So it'll be a top to bottom. Those actually do look really good. Yeah. What I got on right now actually has a hole in one of the headlights. Looks like it's been shot with a BB gun or something. We picked this truck up out of Oklahoma and drove it all the way back here. We've had Advanced Diesel here in town go through it, and we've gotten everything buttoned up mechanically, and it is mechanically sound. So what we're going to do now is we get to start on the fun stuff, and that's how to make it look good. there and show that off. That actually has a really good clean look. Obviously, we've got plastic on right now. We'll probably leave that on since they're about to head over to the body shop. But
So you have to open probably one, unless you just want to.
that actually looks like the other one. Yeah, we got a right and a left here. These are the ones I wanted to see the most. Now we've got 4 of our 6 pieces for our headlights. These right here should be our top lenses. I guess those made up our top lenses. I lied about that. This right here is my bottom. We can actually, if you want to throw 3 of those together real quick, we can get a good idea of what these are going to look like.
I don't remember which order that we go in. That's totally not the right ones, but
Is it?
told me to grab one of them.
I know I did. We'll get a better picture of what those look like whenever they all come back from the body shop. I'll dig into these here. I'll put the link to CP Addict in the description of this video just so you guys can head over and check them out. We also have a code 484BRAD, B-R-A-D, that you can use. You can check out some of the stuff on their website to help save you a little bit of money and will also help us out with them, you know.
Makes builds go further when you save some money here and there.
Yeah. We've also decided to go with their dual mirror or dual bracket mirror kit. And this looks like a little bit of what they are. We're going to send those over to the body shop. He's going to take care of that, all of that welding, all of that for us. Get some GM mirrors on this thing. A lot of people still like to stick with the older style mirrors, but something about seeing these trucks with the new mirrors looks pretty sharp to me. So I think that's the route we're headed. Man,
It's a solid bracket.
solid and sturdy.
Plus, I believe that with these brackets, you still get to use your wing window.
Yes, we'll actually
You guys
even
will
be
just
able to
completely delete it?
We'll be able to retain our front vent in our mirrors, and that's something that I've seen a lot of people struggle with. If they actually go to put on new mirrors, they find a way to do it themselves. They're actually removing that entire vented window, but this way we're able to retain that vent and keep using it. Give me one more soap. You order so much stuff at one time, I'm having trouble remembering. Oh yeah, we got our taillights.
Still need that again.
And they had options on these taillights too. They had a smoked and then just your regular OEM, and then they had some cleared taillights. With the colors that we're doing our truck, we went ahead and just stuck with an OEM red, just to update what we currently have on the truck and get some cleaner looking ones with the way we're doing this build, and those actually look really nice. Those will be a really good addition to the truck. Go ahead and set that over there. But guys, that's a little bit of what we got in our massive order, or what I call massive order, from CP Addict. These guys have been really good. I think these shipped out in 2 days, and we've been sitting on them for about 5 waiting to make this video. But we'll have some couple more videos coming up on the channel shortly. Like I said again, this is my brother Caleb. He actually works here at this shop, Elevated Customs in Harrison. And my name is Brady, and we'll see you guys in the next one.